So after months of planning and analysis, here it is finally. I've been planning to get this for a really long while, but I just wanted to be sure of what I'm actually getting into. And then this is the product that came out on top after an in-depth analysis. So here it is. My new action camera, Insta360 X3. To begin with, I had looked at other options including GoPro Hero as well as DJI Osmo Action 4, the newly launched one. But the versatility that this product offers is unmatched. So I just went ahead and bought this. Let's just unbox this and see what are the contents inside. Let's remove the sticky wrap once. So once you open this box, lo and behold, the Insta360 X3. It does have a little weight to it, which is something that I had in my mind while ordering it. But onto that later. Let's look at some of the accessories that it comes with. So inside the accessories, I think that's what it is. Yeah, here it is. So there's a charging cable, it's a Type-C charging cable. Then there is a case of sorts, it's a soft case just to make it easier to carry it around. Then there is some reading material and a cleaning cloth as well, which is a good addition. And oh, there are some stickers as well. So this is what comes within the box of Insta360 X3. Now device and see how it turns out. So I'm yet to remove the plastic protective coverings on the camera lenses, but before that I just want to remove this peel and see the battery, if it has been installed already or not. Yeah, there is a battery, but I don't really think there is SD card, but yeah, let's just insert one and see. So after a quick firmware update and installing the SD card, here is the UI of Insta360. I'm yet to figure out the nitty-gritties of the UI, so please bear with me. I'm still exploring it with you. And yeah, in the first look it seems pretty decent enough. The UI is slick and the touchscreen is pretty responsive. I'm yet to figure out the functions of these buttons, which I will do once I go through the user manual. And I will be bringing out an in-depth analysis of this and see how it goes. So here it is, the new Insta360 X3. Hope you guys like this video and do subscribe for more such content. Essentially, I'll be using this Insta360 X3 for some motovlogging and stuff, so do let me know how that goes. Peace out.